everybody, thank you for watching another cruise travel channel video. I recently took another trip on Norwegian Epic and I want to tell you about the experience I had during embarkation in Barcelona. The plane arrived early in the morning, so I decided it was enough time for a walk in this beautiful city before the embarkation procedure begins. So I first arrived in Plaza de Catalunya, and after a stroll on Las Ramblas near the sea, I took the shuttle bus close to Columbus Monument. The bus station area was clear of traffic. The bus journey usually takes about 5 minutes, but as soon as we started, I noticed at the first roundabout a big traffic jam. Practically, the cars were coming on 3 lanes and had to exit on a single lane on Porta de Europa Bridge. This made the bus trip about 25 minutes. As soon as we passed the ship, I noticed the terminal, and as we approached, I noticed the crowd. Because I was in this port several times before in normal conditions, and at different times, this crowd, which turned into a very long queue, seemed strange to me. Now, what distance is left to cover? People continue to come and the queue will grow even longer, as I will show you later. Outside the terminal lasted 50 minutes. After you are inside, it's very easy. Pass the security checking point, then wait in the line for a port agent to check in. There were about 20 to 30 agents, so this was quite fast. All procedures inside the terminal lasted only 10 minutes. After that, you can embark the ship. Going up on the escalator, which was at the end of the terminal where I started queuing, I noticed that the number of people waiting in a line increased significantly. The line continued in this part as stewards coordinated it. I can only assume that the waiting time has grown to more than 1 hour. Later, I found out that the ship was delayed on arrival, and also passengers have not rushed. To avoid this situation, when I had to disembark, the whole process lasted about 1 hour and the last caller announced was at 8:30. This video and found the information useful. If you like it, please hit the button and subscribe to our channel for more cruise and travel videos.